Now this question was asked in the CBSE examination year 2002. It says find the probability of drawing a diamond card in each of the two consecutive draws. So simultaneous events, consecutive draws. This indicates that it is a question of multiplicative theorem on probability from a pack of well shuffled cards. Well shuffled cards not mentioned means general 52 cards. If the card drawn is not replaced after the first draw. That means you have to draw diamond card 2 times. In the first case, you see that there are 52 cards out of which 13 are diamond cards. So 52 total cards, 13 are your diamond cards, right? So just replacing one out of these diamond cards, and then what happens is when you have taken out one card that has not been replaced. So now left out cards are 51 out of the total, and out of the diamond only 12 are left. This is the funda of this question. I write solution. So let the event A denote drawing one diamond card or the first diamond card. Then you have an event, we say B over A, which shows the event B when A has already occurred. So this is, if I say probability of A, this is probability of event B when A has already occurred, which means probability of drawing a second diamond card when the first has already been taken out and not replaced. So the first diamond card when you have, that will be 13C1 over 52C1 because total 52 cards, and this is 13 over 52 which is 1 over 4. Next, what is the situation? Probability of drawing a second card when the first has already been taken out means out of the 12 remaining and out of the 51 remaining. So this is 12 over 51, which is 3 4s are 12, 3 17s are 51. Now these both events have to simultaneously occur. The first also has to occur, the second also has to occur in order to complete this given thing. So the answer will be P of A multiplied by P of B over A, which is equal to 1 upon 4 multiply 4 upon 17, which is equal to 1 upon 17, and that is the answer to this question. So this is how you do this kind of a question. You have to pay attention to each and every word of the question with regard to the chapter of probability, and then the formulas, and then your question is done.